What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get into this secret menu on the LG Stylo 6. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hope you're having a great day. Hope everyone is safe out there. I'm just going to get straight into this. Now, there was a secret test menu that you can get through the dialer application, but LG's actually made this way easier than it was. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this now. Very simple trick. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the drop down bar menu right here. We're going to go ahead and click on the settings. Then we're going to scroll down until it says extensions. Go ahead and click on extensions, and we have something else called smart cleaning. Go ahead and click on that. Now we have a bunch of different options right here. We have battery usage, we have battery saver, we have test hardware, and we also have smart cleaning. Now if you guys are just trying to clear some of your residual storage you guys really don't need anymore, go ahead and optimize your phone. All you have to do is go ahead and click that button. It's going to delete residual storage you don't need anymore and stop unnecessary applications that are running in the background, making your phone run way better. We also have battery usage right here. We can go ahead and click on, and it's going to show you the battery usage or how your battery usage is on a day-to-day basis. Next, we have the battery saver right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, this is a very useful tool as well. You can basically extend the battery's life if you want to put it on certain modes. It has a little description right here. It says save battery by reducing the phone's performance and restricting what apps can do in the background. Select a mode and choose what features to restrict to ensure you receive notifications from important apps. Select the apps and settings, battery, power saving, and exclusions. So we have extended right here. Now the extended mode says to save battery, phone performance will be reduced and some features will be restricted. Vibration is going to be disabled, background activity and data restricted. This may result in some notification updates not showing, and the max brightness will be 90%. So that is the information for the extended, and for maximum we have vibration disabled, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off, location disabled while screen is off, background activity and data restricted. This may result in some notifications and updates not showing, and the max brightness is 80% and the frame rate is going to be reduced. So this is a great alternative if you guys would like to save some sort of battery life. We're going to go ahead and go back to where we were at in the extensions, and we're going to show you the menu that you guys have been waiting for, and that is the test hardware. Now, a lot of people have been having issues with their hardware and they don't know if their device is faulty or not, and I would definitely run this device test if you guys are somewhat suspicious of the device's quality. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. You can test them individually, which we're going to do right now, or you can test all at the same time. We're going to go and test these individually. You think you have a problem with your Wi-Fi, go and check that. Ours is good. Bluetooth, it tests, we're good. Proximity light sensor, we're good. The light sensor on this device, good. Fingerprint sensor, in working condition. Accelerometer works as well. Gyroscope works as well. And we also have a magnetometer, so let's go and try that out. And we are good on that. So we have tested all of these. If you guys have any suspicion that your device isn't working up to the capabilities it should be, definitely check all of these to see if any of them fail. Now in this current situation, nothing has failed, so I'm thankful my device is in good condition. But if you guys don't think yours is in good standing, I would definitely check out this menu. And I feel like a lot or most people really don't know about this menu at all. But yeah guys, I just want to go ahead and show you this quick menu. I thought it would help you guys out. If you guys did enjoy this video or it did help you, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.